Hi friends, in this chapter we will discuss about the properties of gaseous fuels. Gaseous fuel means a material that is in the gaseous state at standard atmospheric temperature and pressure conditions and that is combusted to produce heat. In this video, we will discuss about the properties of gaseous fuels. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Please press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive my latest videos. Now, let us discuss about gaseous fuels. Before going to discuss about this in detail, let us first go through few examples of commonly used gaseous fuels. These are LPG or liquefied petroleum gas, natural gas, producer gas, blast furnace gas, and coke oven gas. Liquefied petroleum gas is a fuel gas made of petrol which contains a flammable mixture of hydrocarbon gases, most commonly propane, butane, and propylene. Natural gas is a naturally occurring mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons consisting primarily of methane in addition to various smaller amounts of other higher alkanes. Producer gas is fuel gas that is manufactured from materials such as coal as opposed to natural gas. Blast furnace gas is a byproduct of blast furnace that is generated when the iron ore is reduced with coke to metallic iron. Coke oven gas is formed by heating coal to 1100 degrees centigrade without excess of air. Calorific value or heat content of gaseous fuel is expressed in kilocalorie per normal meter cube. Normal temperature and pressure refers to 20 degrees centigrade temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure, that is 760 millimeter of mercury column. Normal temperature and pressure are also called standard temperature and pressure. Now let us discuss about why net calorific value is more important than gross calorific value in case of gaseous fuels. Coming to one of the gaseous fuels, that is natural gas, it contains more hydrogen. When combustion of natural gas takes place, this hydrogen is converted into water and subsequently into water vapor. Gas combustion devices used for combustion of gaseous fuels like natural gas do not utilize the heat content of water vapor. So gross calorific value is of no importance in case of gaseous fuel. Hence, gaseous fuels are compared based on net calorific value. Now, let us discuss about the physical and chemical properties of gaseous fuels. In the table, we have mentioned about the different physical and chemical properties of natural gas, propane, and butane. From the table, we can see that the relative density of natural gas is the least among the three gases. That means it is the lighter gas among the three. The heating value of butane is the highest among the three. The air to fuel ratio is highest in case of butane. That means if unit fuel is considered for combustion, then more air will be required in case of butane as compared to other gases. Butane will also attain the highest flame temperature among the three gases. Flame speed of butane will also be higher compared to other gases. It is worthwhile to mention here that butane is a gas at room temperature and atmospheric pressure. Butane is a highly flammable, colorless, easily liquefied gas that quickly vaporizes at room temperature. Now, coming to the liquefied petroleum gas or LPG, it is chiefly a mixture of propane, butane. It also contains some percentages of unsaturates like propylene and butylene. It also includes some lighter fractions of carbon, that is C2, and also contains some heavier fractions of carbon, that is C5. LPG is sold in the market as propane, propylene, normal and isobutane, and butylene. When moderate pressure is applied to LPG at normal temperature, it is converted into liquid. LPG is stored and transported in liquid form instead of being transported in gaseous form to facilitate ease of handling. The volume of LPG in gaseous form is 250 times the volume of LPG in liquid form. The density of LPG vapor is more than the density of air. The density of butane is approximately 2 times the density of air. The density of propane is 1.5 times the density of air. Since these gases are heavier than air, the vapor of these gases will cling to the ground and also fill the lowest elevation areas like drains. When the wind velocity is more, these gases will float to the surrounding areas far from its source. So, if these gases come in contact with an ignition source, then they will start burning from its source. When wind velocity is low, then these gases will spread slowly to the surrounding. As the volume of LPG is 250 times the volume of air, even small amount of discharge or leakage of these gases will be converted into large volume of vapor and air mixture. This has a lot of potential to cause substantial hazard. Odor is added to LPG to identify its leakage. The storage of LPG at ground level should be adequately ventilated. LPG should not be stored in cellars, basements which have no ventilation at ground level. Now, coming to another gas called natural gas. The main components of natural gas is methane, which is 95% of total volume. Other components are ethane, propane, butane, pentane, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and small amounts of other gases. Very little amount of sulfur compounds are also present. As methane is 95% of total volume, the properties of natural gas are identical to that of methane. Natural gas has high calorific value. It does not require any storage facility. It easily mixes with air and does not produce smoke and soot. It does not contain sulfur. It is lighter than air and spreads into air easily in case of leak. Let us discuss about the chemical composition of some fuels like coal, fuel oil and natural gas. The table shows the chemical composition of these fuels. The carbon content of fuel oil is more than coal and natural gas. The hydrogen content of natural gas is more than fuel oil and coal. The sulfur content of fuel oil is more than coal. The oxygen content of coal is more than fuel oil. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Please press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive my latest videos.